Hello guys, good afternoon. Jade here. And this short video, I want to quickly show you how to use Google Docs. So first things first, let's go to the Play Store. To get Google Docs, you type Google Docs into the search bar. So for the sake of this short demonstration, let me just type it, Google, I got it here, so Google Docs. So this is it. Google Docs. It's actually a product from Google. So you tap on install, then you go to your app folder. There's your app folder now. So where is Google Docs? Okay. So it shows on your phone as Docs. So you tap on it. I'm not going to create a new file anyway, but I'll open one or two. So let's see. Okay. I'm trying to look for, it's not as if there is anything. Okay. I think this one is almost blank. All right. Okay, so after typing, as you're typing, it automatically saves. You don't need to start looking for where to save it. No. So this is the pen you use. If you want to type, you type here. Right? I'm just demonstrating, so there is actually nothing to. Here you change the font color, underline, formatting, and all that. This is for highlighting. This is for alignment. This is for bullets. There's alignment here. Left, right, justified, center. Then bullet. You see? So this is a bullet point. Then this for indenting. You can use number. You can use this. You can use this. As if you're creating a list, a checklist. Then this is for indenting. You can see that now, right? So now when you're done, you mark, you tap on this tick sign. That's all. You're done typing, and all changes are saved. You can see that. Then for you to title your document, you tap on this. And, okay, you can decide to leave it this way. You just give it a custom title. So let me leave it this way. Then when you are done now, you come here. You can decide to star it, get your word count, share and export is actually what I wanted to show you, and all that. So for share and export, always make your Google Docs available for offline editing, so that even when you don't have data, you can do your editing, and then whenever you have data, you go online, you update. The document automatically updates and is stored online. Now Google Docs is fully a cloud-based app. I used to say it's an app that purely works with the cloud storage. So it's not as if you have to. That's why you cannot download it on your system, that is your laptop or your computer, but you can download it on your phone. It's easy to download it on your phone. That's why you can do a lot of things with it on your phone, and it's lightweight, of course. So now for share and export, you tap on this. That is if you want to share it with someone. Now manage access, share. Now most times people just tap on this on share, and they start having issues about access and all that. So the best thing to do is tap on this. I think I've made a mistake. All right, let's just go back. share, then let's go to manage access. Manage access. So you come to manage access for that particular document. Every document you type on Google Docs, you have to change the access permission. So you come here, you tap on anyone with the link. Anyone with the link. Let's say we see it as a viewer. Except you want the person to become an editor of the file, then the person can also edit on it. Or you want the person to comment on it, you pick this. But now all you just want to do is to share the link, right? So now that this is done, you can tap on this to copy the link. You can tap on that to copy the link, or you go here, do same share and export, tap on share. You know, it will now ask you who and who you want to share it to. You know, this wasn't there before, right? So you now decide who you want to share it to. If you want, that is this for here now. For this one now, you have to send by, you have to add their email addresses. But since that is not what you want to do, you just tap on this, or you just go back. Just go back and do the copy link thingy. So you just copy the link, or you do send a copy. Send a copy should go by to ask you what format you want to send a copy. Then when you have chosen the format, it's supposed to give you some options. So the options are here. I want to send it by email, WhatsApp, by Gmail, whatever way you want to send it. So that is all about. Is that simple? Okay, now you can share. That's all. So that's all about Google Docs. Thank you for your time. So to go back, just close. And then we're done. Okay.